Hello everyone, are you ready to turn back the clock naturally? In today's video, we are diving into a skincare secret that your skin will thank you for, an anti-aging moisturizer packed with the power of oatmeal and the good old castor oil. This gentle, all-natural formula doesn't just hydrate the skin, it helps smooth fine lines, calm irritation, and leave your skin looking radiant and youthful. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, wrinkles, sagging skin, blackheads, whitehead, or just want to give your skin some extra love, this moisturizer is a game changer. Stick around as we break down the many benefits of the ingredients that we're using and show you how to use it and why these two humble ingredients, oatmeal and castor oil, are a hero for your skin. Let's glow naturally. Let's get into today's video. Before I enter the kitchen, however, there is one announcement, guys, and that is subscribe for more videos like these, especially if you're looking for younger, fresher, radiant, natural, glowing skin. And please watch the video to the end. Today I'm going to be using some orange peel, and this is dry orange peel. I'm going to be blending the orange peel, and I'm blending the peel from half of a medium orange. So this we're going to place in the blender and we're going to blend to a powder. Orange peel offers several benefits due to its high concentration of vitamin, antioxidant, and natural benefits. It helps to brighten skin tone. It exfoliates dead skin cells. It helps to fight acne. It also helps to control oil and absorb excess sebum on the skin, help to reduce blackheads and whitehead by cleaning out those pores, and it also is loaded with antioxidant. Orange peel fight free radicals and that cause premature aging, reducing the wrinkles and fine lines. Orange peel natural astringent properties also help to tighten the skin and minimize large pores, giving the face a smoother appearance. Next ingredient is going to be oatmeal. And I'm going to be blending it to a powder just like we did the orange peel. Now, oatmeal is a powerhouse natural ingredient when it comes on to anti-aging skincare. It's gentle, it's smoothing, making it suitable for all skin type, especially mature and sensitive skin. It is rich in antioxidants. Finely ground oatmeal acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting cells turnover without stripping the skin of its natural oil. It is nourishing to the skin and helps to support collagen production, helping to improve skin texture and firmness. Also, oatmeal helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin and better able to lock moisture in the skin. So now that we have the oatmeal and the orange peel ready, we're going to put them together. So let's reach for a small blender. And we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of the blended oatmeal, adding this to the bowl. If you want to make more of this recipe, go ahead and double up on the ingredient. Now, once this is done, we are going to reach for the orange peel. And we're using just a rounded teaspoon of the orange peel. If you do not have orange peel and you have lime peel, go ahead and use that instead. And now we're going to reach for some hot water. You want to make sure the water is to boiling point, really, really hot. And we're going to use about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the hot water, pouring this in the blender. Now, once this is done, what we're going to do, we are going to be blending. But before I blend, I like to take my spoon and I like to just give it a little stir, like just really mixing it first so that nothing is settled in the bottom of the blender. And then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to blend to a creamy consistency. Now, once this is done blending, and the time depends on the power of your blender. Now, once this is done, I am going to strain. So take a look. This is what it looks like after blending. We're not using any grain, so we're straining with a cheesecloth. And I have a roll right here. I'll list it somewhere for you to see if you're interested in it. Or you can use a regular strainer. I prefer the cheesecloth for this because it gets rid of all of the particles. So I'm just going to dump it in the cheesecloth like I show here. And now I'm just going to strain. and take a look. I'm straining. Remember guys, this is a little warm, so be very careful when you're straining. If you are not, comfortable with it warm, set it aside a little for it to cool down, and then you can go ahead and you can strain. But remember, this is still very much hot liquid. Okay guys, so now that I strain, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna toss the outer, and look how creamy this is. This is about 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal and the orange peel blended together. Nice and creamy, and believe it or not, you could use this on your face as is, but we're gonna kick it up a notch. And now I'm gonna reach for some aloe vera gel. In this recipe, I'm using regular aloe vera gel. However, if you so choose, you can use fresh aloe vera gel. And I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Now when it comes on to aloe vera gel, it is widely known for its smoothing, moisturizing properties. It smooths sunburn, it hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Aloe vera also helps to smooth irritated skin. And if you have acne on the skin, the antibacterial properties help to reduce acne-causing bacteria. Contains salicylic acid and other compounds that help unclog pores and break out. It is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. It helps combat skin aging and also improve skin firmness and elasticity. Aloe vera gel even help to even skin tone. Next, I'm going to reach for some oil, and my first oil is going to be apricot oil. And today I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the apricot oil. Now, apricot oil is rich in loving nutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin A. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals. Vitamin A, like retinol, help improve cell turnover, smooth fine lines, and support collagen production. Along with that, apricot oil is very moisturizing to the skin. It penetrates easily into the skin without it feeling greasy. Keep the skin soft, supple, and hydrated, which also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Apricot oil also helps to boost collagen production, and it is gentle on all skin type. My next oil is gonna be Jamaican black castor oil. And black castor oil, especially Jamaican black castor oil, is a rich nutrient-dense oil with several anti-aging benefits for the skin. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the black castor oil. Castor oil helps to boost collagen and elastin. It deep moisturization creates a protective barrier that locks moisture in the skin, keeping the skin soft, plump, and hydrated, essentially for reducing the sign of aging like sagging skin, jawline, neckline, and also help to get rid of dryness on the skin. And now for my final oil, and this is an essential oil. It is star anise oil, and I'm going to use a few drops of the star anise oil because this is a very strong oil. It's a powerful essential oil known not only for its spicy aroma but also for its anti-aging properties. Star anise encourages natural collagen production, helping to reduce sagging and fine lines. It also helps to support skin firmness and elasticity. Star anise oil with regular use, dilute in other natural oils, can help to smooth out fine lines and improve skin texture. Give the skin a more refined, a more youthful, and a natural glowing appearance. And now that we have all the ingredients, we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well, totally blending all the ingredients together. Now once this is done, we are going to pour this in a small jar, or you can use any sterilized container that you have. This you're going to use on the skin AM and PM, and clean skin right after your facial toner or your facial serum. You're going to massage it on your face, your neck, and décolleté, and you're on your way to smooth, refined, younger, naturally glowing looking skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. A natural anti-aging remedy made from castor oil and oatmeal.